sometimes it can be really confusing. If you're in London, right, once you're on the escalator like this, to your right, this side, leave it for people. People want to walk past. People that are in a hurry, like that man now, they walk past the right. So when I came, I did not know now. I went and stayed by the left. Hey, no. My Igbo is going to be strong soon. So you're new to the UK, you're new to London. This video, you have to watch it till the end because I'm going to show you how not to behave like a JJC, how to navigate your way, how to get from one train to another train like a pro, like you've been here all your life, okay? Because definitely it's going to be different from where you're coming from. So yeah, unfortunately, I'm not showing you guys how to use the map. If you want that, how to use all the London maps and stuff, and maybe even in other parts of the UK, let me know. I'm going to film a video separately. But in this one, I'm going to show you how to behave like a pro in this country. So watch till the end. If you don't watch till the end, nah, you sabi. So I'm on a train. This is how I left the house. And I realized that I did not put on earrings. Man, I remembered when I was just leaving the house. So I remembered. But I know my child. I know Jamal. Like, I'm trying to work on him not crying when I'm leaving the house, which is quite difficult to do. Like, so I tried to tell him, Jamal, I'm going out. No, don't cry. You're a good boy. Don't cry. Tell mommy you love her. You know, stuff like that. Like, tell mommy you love her. Jamal, I love you. I've been trying to sit in front. It's not easy to walk on a moving train, man, because it's just moving and you can just fall down if you're not careful. You know, so I always try to say, oh, Jamal, tell mommy you love her. This is not clear enough. No? You know, I'm always like, no, don't cry. And he starts to scream like he wants to follow me. Let me calm down, come with. You guys, this is London Bridge Station. I'm going to the underground side. I just got down the train. I didn't even continue what I was saying. I'm going to continue. I just got down the train, so I'm going to the underground side. I'm sure that there is too much noise. I'm too sure. Where is the way to underground again? I don't go miss road because this station is so big. Okay, I've seen the signs. That's one thing. Like, if you're new in this country, just always look at all the signs that you can see. Like, if you're going to underground, you're going to wherever, like any platform, you always see like directions. But of course, because London is quite a busy city, like everybody's always moving. So if you're not able to get directions, ask somebody. But not people that are moving on their own. Nobody knows road in this country. Let me not even like, everybody's using map to go to where they're going to. So everybody just know their own way. But you see all these officials by my left, yeah. Just ask them that, oh, where is the way to so and so place? You know, and then they'll let you know. You see, I was forming teacher. I actually walked up to one of them to ask a question. But guess what? I was not recording. But this screen right here shows underground. You can see underground. So you always they will keep pointing you, like at every point, you just keep seeing directions. I know that my hand is probably shaking and I'm not filming this thing well. It's not really easy to film, especially when you know that you're not trying to film people and you don't want people to feel uncomfortable, you know. Train stations are so big. Sometimes, before you walk out from where you drop to where you go enter the next train, for inside the same station, you'll miss your train because it's such a struggle. Sometimes they use lift, you know, but it's not every one that you can actually use lift to, you know, but I try to use lift sometimes. Got into this part and I'm actually going to, you can see Northern Line, Jubilee Line, see the arrows. So me, I'm going to Jubilee Line. So I'm going to take my right. So if you're going to Northern, so like all these underground, right? They have different names. You know, they have different names. So you have to check your map to know the one you're getting on, so you don't make a mistake. You know. Sorry. People just sit down, they block me. This is how I get time. Can you see I got to this point again? It says Jubilee and Northern Line. So it means you can still pass here. Are you guys even seeing what I'm saying? Oh, I'm just talking to myself. Up here, there's another direction. Here again, Northern Line. Ah, God, I need to get another phone. So direction. See Jubilee and Northern Line. You look forward here again. You see Jubilee and Northern Line. See, direction won't kill us. So, if you don't move fast like this, you're going to miss that train. That's the problem. So, I don't even have time to buy oysters, so I'm using my card. Can you see again? Jubilee and Northern. So we'll keep going the same way, and then we'll get to a point where we'll just split up. Jubilee go day right, Northern go day left. So if you're in London, right, once you're on the escalator like this, to your right, this side, leave it for people. People want to walk past. People that are in a hurry, like that man now, they walk past the right. So when I came, I did not know now. I went and stayed by the left. You know, can you see? People, so it's like a law, like just stand by the right of any escalator, because some people don't have time to be waiting for all this drama, so they just want to go down the step, you know, quickly, so they don't miss their train. So if you're new in London, any train station you go to and you're on the escalator, maintain right. So we've got it to the end. So now we can separate Jubilee Line, Northern Line, okay? So Jubilee Line, we're going this way. Okay? Another journey, man. You can see now, we're separating Jubilee and Northern. Oh, mama, no go miss this train. Which kind of work be this? Like, oh, wahala. That's why some people say they can't live in London, because wahala. Like, everybody's just moving, and the country is just moving. You cannot dull, you can't walk slowly, because people are behind you. Like, people are right behind you. You have to walk as fast as possible. Just to go enter train. So Jubilee Line. I don't know, I'm supposed to wipe my camera out. So Northern Line, there's a train there that way. And sometimes out of this rush, you go and enter a train that is not your own. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's my train. That's my train. Ooh.
This train terminates at
So I'm going to get on that train, and it's called Piccadilly Line. It's still an underground train. That's why I told you that they all have like different names. Where do I see the way to Piccadilly Line now? Piccadilly. So apparently the arrow says for me to go this way, I guess. Okay, let me just ask. Thank God I'm going to be able to ask now. Oh, this is Piccadilly Line. Hello. Hi. How do I get on the Piccadilly Line? Platform 3, Piccadilly.
See the sign at the end, yeah. Just follow the signs.
Oh, perfect. Thank you. So yes, of course, I'll follow the signs. So I just asked so that you guys can see. Sorry, you know, all these underground trains, they can make noise. So Piccadilly Line. So if you don't follow the arrow, you go miss road though. Any way arrow points you, make sure that you follow them. Sorry. And you wonder why people run to get on the train. This train is going to be here for just a few seconds. It's leaving. They just got here. So Piccadilly. And then another sign is showing here. These things seem really easy, right? It's not as easy as it seems, so don't go to deceive yourself. It's not, I'm sure you're like, it's not just to follow the signs, like what's the biggie? Sometimes it can be really confusing. So it says Piccadilly, and then another sign there. Can you see that? We're walking on the right and people coming and walking on the left. It's a no-brainer, okay? Like, so when you come, take note. you just might not take note of these things. You just think, it's not just it's not something you easily take note of. You might just find yourself at the middle and only you. Hey, I've seen somebody. Okay, he has diverted. This line that I'm at, somebody was coming from like the other direction, but he was here and he figured it out. He just diverted. You see the guy. He's wearing a blue shirt. Look at him right there on my left, right here. So even these two guys have. Another thing be safe. If they fear dog like me, whoa, you can't be here. Oh my goodness, like you cannot be here. What? I am so scared. See, I know that this video does not have the best of qualities. The quality, I don't know what's happening. I need to change your phone. So I am literally super scared of dogs. Sometimes I'm on a bus in the middle of two people that have dogs. Like, you cannot not like dogs. And even if you don't like dogs, you have to pretend like you do. You don't like cats. Because you don't like dogs. Now, there's a confusion. There's confusion now. I don't know where I'm going, but I hope I won't speak at the window. Johnny. Green Park, platform 2, and I'm going to this one, yeah. Hey, this is my train. No? Okay, no, this is not my train. My train is the next one. I'm going to Heathrow. It's coming in 7 minutes. I've missed one. I'm sure I can get on this train to go to where I'm going to. Wow. So the other way is the platform 2. Damn, it's so full. What? And then when the door opens, everybody waits for people to come out first before going in.
So terminals 1, 2, 3, and 5.
So I'm not standing by the right, I'm climbing. And I'll explain why. So, way out. More train now, walk. To come in, walk. To go out, walk. So you can't, when you see red, you can't use it. It's the green, okay? The red is showing green at the other people's end. People are coming in, the red is showing green over there. So just keep following the sign that says way out. Fresh air. Wow. So this is where I'm coming to. So this is like front of the station. I had to use my map. You always have to use your map to know where you're going to. Oh, this is so beautiful. This pink restaurant is so pretty. Nice. So nice. Dogs again. I've seen dogs. I'm scared of it. I wanted to go and film. Oh, but she don't let me. I tried. Ah, this is so pretty. Let me show you guys this building. Man, how do I cross? So this place looks, I don't know. I'm seeing like, I don't know, it looks quite restricted, but I can't see any no filming sign. But it looks cute. Hey people, I'm going to work. Even if I'm not dressed like I'm going to work, I am going to work. And that was not the plan, okay? The plan was to go out. I already dressed up to go out. And then I was called, like, why didn't you confirm your shift? I'm like, what shift? I didn't get any shift. And they said they emailed me my shift and I did not confirm. So I had to literally, I didn't even have time to change. I had to put my work clothes in my bag, my shoe. I already dressed up, like I already took my jacket because I'll be closing at 12:30. So when I close, cold go day that time. So, but now it's really, really hot. You people, you've missed. This is Hermes. Like, I literally did a very funny video and I was not recording. Like, I crossed the road in a very funny way and I was joking with the driver and I was not recording. What is happening? What's happening, man? So I missed that clip. I had a lot to say about navigating trains and stuff here, but I'm already late. I've gotten to where I'm working. They're going to deduct it from my time if I am too late, okay? You guys, you missed what I did with the driver. Oh my god. I don't know why I didn't press record. Maybell. Well, I'm going in now. I'll close at 12:30. I'll try and see if I can still film, but I'm going in now, sorry. Lots of designer stores, man. Like, we'll go rich, we'll go make money for this life every day. Hello. Hello, is this the staff entrance for Jumeirah Carlton? Okay. Yes, I have to go change, sign in. I don't really need to be honest. This is the staff entrance. Yes, I've worked here before, just to be very sure. Can't even see myself. Yeah. Fuck. Who's gonna open this door now? Fuck. Ooh, the sun is heating. Yeah, I'm sorry you guys. I had lots of things to say and show you people, but because I had to hurry for work. Hello. Please can you help me get someone to open the gate? Thank you. Yeah, I'm coming in. I'm working. My Niger brother.
Yeah. Why are you following me?
Niger people.
Why are you so
A
addicted?
documentary about
Hello.
Ethiopia.
How
are you doing?
I'll see you later. Hello.
How are you?
Very well. So I don't have earrings because I didn't want Jamal to cry, so I couldn't go back because I'm working on him. I have to go change. I cannot even remember my way. Hello. I don't even know where I'm going. I can't remember. Oh, really is an event. So today I'm gonna wear white. Before now, I'm wearing black. Man, I'm tired of these stairs. Hello, yeah, I know you. I've been